Welcome to our quick guide on changing your PayPal email address. Let's keep your account secure and up to date. Start by logging into your PayPal business account. Enter your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for Account Settings in the menu. In the settings, find the Email section. Here, you'll see your current email address. Click on Edit next to your email to start the process of changing it to a new one. Enter your new email address and confirm it. Save the changes to complete the process. You'll receive a confirmation email at your new address. Check your inbox to finalize this change. Once confirmed, your new email will be linked to your PayPal account. You're all set. Remember, always use a secure and accessible email to keep your account safe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing your PayPal account. For any issues, visit the PayPal Help Center for further assistance. Stay tuned for more videos on simplifying your online transactions.